You know, people complain about safeties these days and how things were so much better back in the day. Got a pretty good example of that down in this basement, working on this boiler. And as an example, water heaters these days have a safety device. They have many safety devices, but one of them that's even above and beyond the normal thermal limits and pressure relief valves is they have what's called a flammable gas sensor, and it detects flammable vapors either from natural gas or from, say, paint or gasoline or something that's stored down in your basement. And if it senses any flammable vapors, it shuts off, and it's a one-time fuse. You can't reset it. Uh, Back in the day, they needed light down here, and you could use candles because they didn't have electric light yet, right? Light bulbs weren't invented. So what they thought was acceptable was you take some little 3/8 natural gas line, you run it down, and then you have a little light just tapped right into the natural gas. There's your valve. So you would open it, light it, adjust the flame, the height of the flame, depending on how much light you needed. And this one even swung back and forth so that when you were shoveling coal into your coal boiler, you could have a little light to see by. An amazing artifact that managed to survive and avoid the scrap runs of World War I and World War II. And now it's going to come home with me. I already talked to the landlord, and I am going to get this thing working again so you guys can see what it looked like. Got to figure out the pressure because this was probably coal gas back then, but I think it was about the same, about half a psi. I mean, hell, in the other building, there's two coal boilers still working. They were coal converted to natural gas in the 1930s. Crazy, right? Look how ornamental it is. All brass. Still totally functional. Crazy.